RapidStudio offers a wide variety of photo books for every occasion and budget. But which one is right for you? Let me show you the differences. For those special heirloom moments, choose our ultimate range. Luxurious covers, fabrics and finishes with butterfly-bound pages that let your images flow seamlessly across the spread. Printed on true photographic paper using wet lab technology for the sharpest, richest detail. For the everyday moments you want to capture and keep forever, our printed hardcover range is perfect. Affordable, beautiful, and made to last. With easy-to-use themes for babies, birthdays, holidays, and all of life's moments. And if you want something in between, we offer hybrid options that combine the best features of both ranges. Upgrade your printed hardcover with one of our premium Ultimate album covers for a more elevated look at an affordable price. You can also upgrade from our standard silk paper to layflat pages. Layflat paper has a hinged spine, whereas silk is bound traditionally, creating a small valley in the center of the book. Here's a double-page spread example showing the difference between silk and layflat paper. To upgrade the cover or pages of a standard photo book, click on the cover and select Options. Scroll through the available cover styles and choose the one you prefer. As you make changes, you'll see the blue cart price update automatically. To change the paper type, click on any page in your book, open the Options tab, and select the paper you'd like. Lastly are our softcover photo books. They're not as long-wearing as our hardcovers, but they work well when budgets are tight or when you need to make multiple copies to share. They're available with two cover options, a soft cover made from the same paper as the pages for a simple magazine-style finish, or a card cover, which looks better and offers more durability. We generally recommend the card cover for a nicer presentation and longer life. From life's grandest moments to the smallest one, there's a photo book that's right for every occasion. If you need any help with your project, please don't hesitate to contact us.